Prenuptial agreement is really nothing more than a contractual agreement that you make with your fiancé before marriage. And the reason people do that is that they have assets or pieces of property or other things that they want to dictate how those will be handled in case that the parties actually end up getting a divorce.
It's important to consult with an attorney if you or your fiancé are considering entering into a prenup, also known as a premarital agreement in Colorado. Premarital agreements can be great for deciding who's going to get what piece of property, or how can I maintain my inheritance or this separate piece of property, but there are things that cannot be included in a premarital agreement. Those are typically issues relating to the children, including parenting time, decision making, and child support. So these are important things to be considered when contemplating a premarital agreement.
It's really important for a person to speak with an attorney prior to broaching the subject of a prenuptial agreement with their fiancé. Prenuptial agreements can be a great tool in the event the marriage dissolves, but sometimes it's not always worth it. It depends on the facts of your case, so it's really important to speak with an attorney prior to broaching such a stressful topic with your prospective spouse.
When we decide that a prenup is actually appropriate for our clients, we advise them a few things. The first thing is you really have to have an upfront and honest conversation with your fiancé about what you're doing and why you're doing it. We see this cause a lot of problems in relationships, but if it's important to you to preserve or to deal with whatever asset you have, then it's important to have that conversation. Secondly, you need to do it early. So one of the things a court will look at in determining if a prenup is valid is whether there was duress in signing the agreement. If you do that too close to the marriage date, then a court might actually find that your prenup is not enforceable.